Hey there, how's it going? Yeah. So as you see, there's a lot of stuff here. Oh yeah. Um, I'm actually building another lithium-ion battery pack, but for now, these are here. So I just hooked them up. Cool. Um, gotta fix that because I don't know why that's not turning on. It has a voltage reading. This also has a voltage reading, but I don't really care right now. I'm actually on 13.4 right now in the car. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So my car's not even on. It's great. Uh, anyway, so two fully charged deep cycle batteries. Um, yeah, a lot of wiring. A lot of wiring. So that ground is going over there. I have another ground that is going to go underneath there. There's a capacitor down there wired directly to the amp. That amp needs a fan. No kidding. We're going to be putting one there. Other than that, so we got that going there. So I got two caps just for the fuck of it, honestly. I mean, I had them, so I'm just gonna hook them up. I'm not kidding. I just had them, so I'm like, yeah, why not? I'll throw them in there with the batteries. Uh, Sub, of course. This is basically your Best Buy special here, which works really well. If I wanted to, I could have inverted the subs, but I don't want to do any of that bullshit. I was fine with it, you know. Plus, I like the clean wiring, so that's cool. Anyway, but yeah, I've got plenty of power back here. Um, the reason why I had the second battery is because that wasn't enough. I was having issues, so that's what I did. Um, I still need to work on the ground because I got to ground this guy down here to the actual frame down there, and I found a good place to do it, which is right where that parking brake is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get, well, basically, I still have one of these. Where's it at? Yeah, here we go. I have one of these. There's plenty of room underneath there, so I'm just gonna clean off the edge of that connector. I'm gonna do it. Yeah. I actually have to get more ground wire, believe it or not. And here's something that I want to show you. So, right at the edge of this, I'm gonna have to replace most of this from about here. Yeah, from about here. The reason why is all this is really stiff. If you ever pick up any of these wires and they're really stiff, that's because the inside of them look like that. They're completely corroded. Okay? This will still be fine for secondary ground. No kidding. But really, I mean, I'm going to clean it up enough just to use that and then put that underneath there. But the big thing is you really want to go ahead and watch out if that happens. Like regular, this kind of wire, see what I mean? Like this high quality stuff, and this is high quality wire. I forgot who makes this. Um, Give me a second. I'm trying to read the person who made this. Oh, there you go. This is, gosh, I can't even read it, but it's expensive shit. Anyway, so, yeah, no kidding. It just bends. Got some more cable right there. I am probably gonna put in one more battery because I'm just OCD like that. Really, a nice deep cycle, a big fat one right there would be great. And I have one in the house, but I'm not gonna put it in here. So, whatever. It'd be really easy for me just to make like a little battery box right there. Okay, right now, just gonna tie them down, and that should be fine, and they should be good in there. Um, Other than that, yeah. So let me show you what we have up here up front. So, uh, underneath the seat here, yep, I got my capacitor there. And what I'm going to do for now, because I don't want to drill or anything right now, I'm just going to go ahead and put these on these eyelets right here with some zip ties. That way it'll stay here and not move back and forth, and that should be okay. And that's just temporary because, again, dude, I got a lot more install stuff to do. I mean, a lot more. Plus, I have to take off this middle console because I have to replace some bushings in here. As far as the amp, there it is right there. Not too much of a spaghetti nest. These are for my fronts right here. Okay. I also have some for back speakers, but I'm not using them. Right? And yes, that is category, I think it's 6 something. Yeah, category 6 cable. And then of course we've got the 2 wires for the speakers in the back right here. Right? And really these should just be going underneath it. Be a lot easier. And I think that's how I had them wired initially. So they just went right underneath the amp. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Like that. It was nice and neat. And that's really how I had that looking. And then these right here, just need a little bit more nicer cable management there. But other than that, dude, everything actually looks pretty well. The problem is I gotta take all this out and put a fan here. So, yeah. Personally, I like this block punt for the fronts. I was a Class AB. It's just something about it. But the dual amp is not bad. Actually, I prefer the dual in a lot of ways, but this amp actually works better for the course. So I'm cool. Now I wanted to show you my connections, and yes, these things are on there very tight. They're never coming off. But yeah, I got the cap directly wired to this. Alright, so I am going to be putting a fan right here, because seriously, dude, this thing just gets kind of warm, and, you know, I want to try to probably alleviate some of those problems. I was going to go ahead and get a new center console, but yeah, I'll get around to it. Just a lot of stuff to do, man. You know, I always had a chance to get one, but yeah, I'm always doing so much freaking work. It's just one of those things. Anyway, so I'm going to finish up doing the grounds. And after I do that, we should be good to go. I still got to run something for the audio, whatever the hell it was. The thing from Seattle, which are really cool, those people. So I want to put that there later on. Just to test it out. Well, some of you guys haven't seen, that's the setup I'm running right now just because I like it. And, you know, every time, dude, just like every time I clean my car, it just gets dirty right over again. Doesn't even matter. Anyway, so I should just kind of show you what I'm doing. I still have to do the lighting upgrades, but I'd like to actually get this out of the way. And I better start doing that. Oh, I also got my label maker here. Why? Well, the thing is, if you want to label your cables, that's what I do. That way you know which one's left and right, back, front, all that stuff. It really is helpful. So, oh yeah, that's what I do, because here, I kind of know which one's which. This one's a shorter one and this one's a longer one. So I know which one's like left and right. But otherwise, you know what I mean? So, anywho, talk to you guys later.